Now listen here, partner, when a dragon offers you half his dinner, that ain't just supper. That's a peace treaty. Toothless didn't just let Hiccup share his fish cause he was feeling generous.
Come on, you're kidding, right?
No. Dragons and How to Train Your Dragon show trust by sharing food. It's their way of saying, you ain't pray no more, your family. Now, sure, that fish was raw, slimy, and smelled like it had been sitting in a saddlebag all summer. But Hiccup knew better than to say no. You bite into that dragon's sushi, you're showing respect. That's how Toothless knew this scrawny Viking was worth keeping around. Kinda like when your buddy offers you a bite of his chili dog, you don't want it, but you take it anyway cause friendship's on the line. So next time you see Toothless sharing that fish, remember it wasn't about the food, it was about trust. Now hit that subscribe button, or Toothless might just keep the whole fish to himself.